to recreate the great Victorian feast. Well, I love learning new recipes so I can then cook them for my friends. Talk us through it, Ashton.
All I've done with this is made a consommé, froze it, I filtered it overnight, just to be clear. Then I just froze it again, put it in a centrifuge, like a vegetable juicer, find all of the clear broth from the ice, and then I froze it again in a minus 80 paper, and all I needed to do after that was pop it in a freeze dry, and then simply add gelatin and finish in Madeira.
Say again. I did all that, but what I ended up with is that. Yeah, I think my minus 80 freezer was playing up. I went into Farrow's and asked for a new one, and there was quarters in the shop. I was most interested to hear what the Victorians did for entertainment back then, in the days before TV.
Have you got any information about the Victorians' love for jelly?
The Victorians used to put jellies down the front of their tables, and then they would watch them wobble them out of their form of amusement during the meal.
What do you say we give it a go? What's the music? By the way, you're watching ITV1.